scissors! Today we're going to learn how to make a paper caterpillar. To make our caterpillar, we'll need some scrap pieces of green cardboard and a piece of white paper. The first step is to take a long, thin piece of cardboard like this, and then we're going to make a tube by rolling it around a pencil. And now I'm going to add a line of PVA glue next to my pencil so I can glue my tube together. And now I'm going to roll my tube back up to stick it down really strong. Don't worry about the edge, Celeste. I'm going to add some more glue now to stick that down. And then roll that up. And how do you think I'm going to hold that together to let it dry? Take a guess. Great guess, Celeste. Yes, I'm going to use pegs. Now, take another piece of cardboard and fold that in half. And now, we're going to take a pencil and draw a leaf. Remember, every leaf is a little bit different, so your leaf doesn't have to look like mine. Next, take a pair of scissors and cut out your leaf. And will you take a look at that? A beautiful leaf! I want to add some lines to my leaf, and I'm going to do that with folds. So, fold a diagonal line, like this, and a second one here, and then I think just one more like that. And then unfold your leaf. Don't worry, Celeste, I haven't forgotten the caterpillar. That's why I have this piece of white paper. To make our caterpillar, we're going to do the same thing that we did with the green cardboard, wrapping the paper around the pencil and gluing it in place. Then roll that up and add some more glue. And then roll that again. The glue should have dried on our cardboard tube now, so we can go on to the next step. So take off those pegs. And now we're going to make a little tube with this piece of cardboard that fits over the big tube. Why? Well, you'll just have to wait to find out. So now we can leave that to dry again and go back to our caterpillar. Now take your white tube of paper and start to crinkle it up like this. We're going to do this along the whole tube to create the wrinkly body of the caterpillar. And now we're going to need some paint to paint it. I'm going to paint a line of yellow on the top of my caterpillar. You can use the same colors as me, or be creative and try something different. I'm going to use pink for the second line of colour on my caterpillar. This stripe should be on both sides, so flip it over and paint it on the back. Now you'll need a little bit of blue or black paint to paint some details, like 2 dots for eyes, and some little dots along the side. And it really is starting to look like a caterpillar, isn't it, Celeste? What do we do with the leaf? Well, you're about to find out right now. Remember this small tube? Well, it fits on the end of this long tube. And as you can see, it can slide up and down and move around. This tube is where we're going to attach one end of our leaf. So take a little bit of glue and put it on the bottom end of your leaf. And then add a little more on the small cylinder. And now you're ready to glue those 2 parts together. And peg it in place to leave it to dry. And now back to the caterpillar. Very carefully slide the caterpillar off the pencil. So now we're going to glue the caterpillar in place. Put a bit of glue on the small tube and a bit of glue on the end of the long tube. And now, glue the back end of the caterpillar to the small tube. And the head of the caterpillar to the end of the longer tube. And then, just leave that to dry. And then you're done! Look at that! A wiggly wiggly caterpillar! I hope you had fun crafting with us today. See you next time!